Hello guys, welcome back to this brand new channel. I'm your hostess Luzdeyvis and this is your DIY project. This is the second time I'm gonna do a Dollar Tree haul, right? In my other channel I did one, and then I am going to do a second one in this channel. And I'm super excited because I want to show you guys the amazing things that Dollar Tree has for we could buy and create so many beautiful things. Okay, so the first thing I want to show you guys is this amazing wall decor. When I saw this, I was like, what? This is so beautiful. I mean, you could change this in colors. Dollar Tree also carries these in white. I really love this, and so you could put flowers, you could do many decorations you want to do. So I definitely recommend you to get these. This is super beautiful and I'm pretty sure you're going to love it. Next thing that I want to show you is this beautiful scarves. Look at these colors. I got 3 of them. They're so nice. They're even more, but I actually got these because, you know, I really love colorful scarves. So this is really nice to put it in your purse or to put it in your hair or anything. So I definitely recommend you. Please watch my next video about mother's gift ideas. My coming up video is only for mothers, ideas on how to set up gift using all Dollar Tree products. I also got these amazing flowers, guys. Look at these bundles. They're so cute. Look at these. They're peonies. They're so beautiful. I really like these. So I also got them in this color. Look at this. This is so beautiful. I totally recommend you to pass there and get those beautiful amazing bundles. They're so amazing. They even have in white, they have in different variety of colors. And Dollar Tree right now is improving the way they're making the flowers. They're looking more realistic right now. And also the greens. If you check out the video that I posted recently about the hanging wire basket, you will see there the bundles that they're providing right now. They're so full, so I really recommend you to pass there and go through those aisles and find those greens because you're definitely going to love them. Next thing, I found this beautiful frame with letters. I was so amazed when I found this, when I saw this. It was the only one left in my Dollar Tree. I was like, no, because this is so cute. I was looking for another one and I couldn't find it, but this is so beautiful. So guys, go ahead and get it. The third thing I want to show you guys is this beautiful shelf. This is so nice. They're so cute. At Walmart, you find these for like 3 for $10, but for $10 you could buy 10 of these for $1 and you actually saving a lot of money. So guys, you cannot miss this out. This is so cute, guys. This is so cute. You can even paint it whatever color you want. I also want to show you guys the beach thing that they're providing, the beach items that they're providing. They have varieties. They have a lot of plates and trays. I couldn't get them all. I got one this particular that you can do a lot of things with this. I also got this one too, you know, but they have more and a lot of different varieties of colors. Now I want to continue with the cups. You know, I love this. Look at these colors. Look at these colors. And it's so plastic. I enjoy having plastic cups or plastic glasses, plastic cups in my house because I have a child and he tends to drop things, you know. And so this is so cute. I love it. This is so cute. I think you could even make candles with it. This is so cute. This is amazing. I love this, guys. I don't know if you have seen these, but this is so cute to make, to put flowers in, to put candles or whatever you want to do. This is really cute. Also, I got this one that this is really nice too, to put flowers in. If you haven't find this, you could even order it. But this is so cute, guys. This is so expensive, guys. Believe me, this is so expensive in other stores. This is like $10 to $20. You could purchase this in another store, and here it's for $1. Can you believe this? Now, if you like stickers, this is Dollar Tree is the way to go. Dollar Tree has so many stickers, guys. They have a full aisle of stickers. They improving that. If you go to Walmart or even Hobby Lobby, they're so expensive. but come on, this is so beautiful. I even like these because this could improve my the way I do my craft, my words, you know, because I am the worst writing words. Look at this. This is so beautiful. Look at this. They have even more, even in cursive and everything. So definitely you gotta try this out, even for your children. Like, definitely they're going to love it. And these letters, this comes in different colors and different shapes. So guys, you gotta go there and enjoy these. Now I did have to get these glass because why? Because it's square. Look at this, guys. This is so cute. I got two, you know, because me and my husband, we just only two, and so I had to get these because this would definitely change a lot of my house settings when when we organize our dinners and stuff like that. So, and it matches with all my kitchen setups because right now I am using more squares, and you usually don't see this in square. You usually see them round, you know, but this square ones, this is so cute. This is really cute. Now I need to get the utensils that they have this form, and this will look great. I know in Walmart you can find those, but
I actually get in those.
in Dollar Tree they're offering these amazing baskets. Look at these. This is so beautiful, guys. You could even use this as a purse. Look at that. But this is so cute. I'm really amazed of what they brought in. Look at this one too. This is so cute. They have variety. If you check on their website, they have so many different baskets and they're beautiful. They're great for storage. And finally, one of these baskets came to our location because I was waiting patiently to receive these amazing baskets. Because I really needed to organize. So this is great for organize. If you find these at Walmart will definitely sell you this for like $7. So this is not really good. So I definitely recommend you to use these and to buy these for $1. Like for $7 you could buy 7, and you could definitely organize your closet and organize everything that you have at your house. Now guys, this is so cute as well. In one of my videos that I uploaded in my other channel, I uploaded how to do ceramic square ceramic pots, right? And I used the little ones, but they have now these sizes, and they have even the long one for $1. I didn't got the long one, right? But this is actually to organize your baskets or your utensils or to organize your project areas, right? And it is so nice. It is so nice. Like, definitely this is great to do amazing hacks. Now you do have to check the areas where to find these amazing batteries, guys. The Dollar Tree has also a stack of full of batteries. I was so amazed when I saw that. I'm like, I'm getting all I got AAA, AA, even these ones, because one day I was trying to search batteries everywhere, like for cheap, because man, they're so expensive right now. But if you get them at Dollar Tree, man, it's totally worth it. If it doesn't work, then you just buy another one and that's it. But it's totally worth it to get it for $1. Man, it's just amazing. So you gotta go there and get this right now. Another amazing thing that I got is these little candle holders. Man, they are so beautiful. They're in 3 shapes, and I got them the 3 shapes, and they're so beautiful. Look at this. This is so nice. You could do amazing things with this, guys. Now these are so beautiful. These are candle holders as well, from like ceramic made, and I had to get these. This is so beautiful, guys. This is so beautiful. Look at this. And there were some in gold, but I got them in white because they look cute. The other thing that I really got is this. This is so cute, guys. For $1 is to make ice cream. So I definitely recommend you to get these. And last is this amazing pots, or like amazing organizers. These organizers, they come in 2 sizes. They also have another one in square. I have them in my fridge. They're so good, but this one are so good because this one gives you the quartz and the 18, they give you like the cup sizes and everything. So this is so amazing, and you're definitely going to use them a lot in your house. And I put this sticker right here, you see, and this is so amazing. So definitely I recommend you to go to that section area and to grab these, because this is really good to organize your house and your pantry area. So that's it, guys. I really want to invite you guys to my next video. I am going to be showing you guys how to do different gift for Mother's Day, and definitely check that video up. I totally recommend it to you. I am super excited, guys. I am so happy that you guys are joining to my channel. Thank you for those 10 subscribers, and thank you for watching this video as well. So I definitely also want to invite you to my other channel where I talk about how to maintain your hair, and also I'll give you some recipes there that they're really healthy, and also there are vegan. So I would like to see you there. So thank you so much, and I hope to see you on my next video. Thank you so much, guys, for watching this video. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, and give me a like. Help me share this video with your friends and family. And do not forget to visit my other channel where I share videos about recipes and also how to manage your hair. My website is available for you, and don't forget to follow in all my social media. Thank you so much, and see you in my next video.